Caucasus University. Welcome to Higher Education Center Barthola Overseas. So are you looking for an affordable MBBS program in Europe without entrance exams and want to study at a university which qualifies you for USMLE, PLAB and NEXT? Let me introduce you to Caucasus University in Georgia, a top destination for medical aspirants who want quality education at a budget-friendly cost. So why choose Caucasus University for MBBS? Well, Caucasus University is one of the most prestigious universities in Georgia, offering an internationally recognized MBBS program with top-notch facilities, and here is why it is excellent choice. No entrance exam required to secure your seat hassle-free. Affordable tuition fees just $6,000 per year, which approximately goes to 5 lakh rupees. Globally recognized degree, which means it is approved by WHO, NMC, ECFMG and FEMA. Next, it is eligible for writing USMLE, PLAB and NEXT. So work as a doctor in India, UK, US and more. Next is 100% English medium MBBS, so no need to learn new language. Another major benefit is located in Tbilisi, a safe, student-friendly city in Europe and in Georgia. MBBS program structure. The MBBS program at Caucasus University follows a European standards, ensuring you get the best of medical education in Georgia. Duration is of 6 years, 5 years of academics, 1 year of internship. European curriculum focusing on practical skills. Globally recognized degree, which means you are eligible for writing USMLE, PLAB and NEXT and more. So now let's discuss about fees, cost of living in Georgia. One of the biggest advantage of Caucasus University is its affordable tuition fees. For MBBS tuition fees, it is around $6,000 per year, which approximately translates to 5 lakh rupees, which is quite an affordable deal as compared to the Indian private colleges. Next, talking about the living expenses in Tbilisi, it is around 25,000 rupees per month. So that means you can complete your entire MBBS degree in just 30 to 35 lakh rupees, which is much more affordable than the Indian private medical colleges. So graduating from Caucasus University opens multiple career opportunities worldwide, like practice in India, UK, USA and more, as you qualify to write your exam for USMLE, PLAB and NEXT and other licensing exams. You can also pursue your postgraduate studies in top countries and specialize in Germany, USA, UK and Australia. So if you are looking for a high quality yet affordable MBBS program in Georgia and Europe, no entrance exam needed, Caucasus University is the perfect choice. Click the link below to connect with us in Higher Education Center Barthola Overseas for personalized mentorship and personalized guidance and direct admissions. So yes, seats are limited, so contact us as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.